Well, welcome back, everyone. I got the next 5 of the $5 precious metal gold tickets, 90 through 94. So let's see how these do. Okay, ticket 90. $321.23. Got 22. Huh? Got 23. Ooh, $5 winner. Hopefully we can do better than that with ticket 91. It would be nice to get a big winner on the last batch of tickets here. 924.28. Alright, we got an auto. But it's going to be a $5 winner. Still, that's $10 out of the 25. Would say I'm missing a $20 winner, but it's possible that was won on the first few tickets. $11, $18, $25. Or it's also possible that I missed it. One off, 12. Got 8 and 28, but no 18. So you won on the first two, but not on the last, or on the third one. Let's see if we can get back to winning on ticket 93. Uh-oh, the thief. 6, 11, and 20. There we go, 6. What's it gonna be? $5. And then on ticket 94, $7, $13, and $22. Nothing there, but still, out of 3 tickets, we got, out of 5 tickets, we got 3 winners. Can't complain about that. We'll take it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Well, welcome back, everyone. I got the last 5 of this $5 precious metal gold tickets. It's been storming a little bit outside, so I thought I'd go ahead and use the coin here. See how we could do. Okay, so ticket 95. 6, 14, 27. Nothing there. Ticket 96. $12, $14, $30. $12, $14, $30. Got 13, 15, and we need 12 and 14. Okay. Ticket 97. $6, $17, $18. We got 17, 18, and we got 16, 19. Ticket 98. $5, $17, $25. And we got 25. For a $5 winner. Leaves us with the last ticket of this row. What are we going to get on it? Ticket 99. $5, $16, $17. Nothing. So apparently someone had won a $20 ticket on the first 5. So we did get 2 of those. We got some other winners. I'll have to look and see what we did. I was hoping to get some big winners, but you know, go back and look at the last video of the wild luck tickets and you'll see that you can get a nice winner on a $5 ticket. So that's the way it goes. I'll catch you in the next video.